In today's video, I want to introduce one of the best trend indicator that I found on TradingView platform. Just make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to teach you a very accurate scalping strategy based on this indicator. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search trend indicator A version 2, this one, which is written by someone named DZIWNE. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, is overlaid on the price chart. This indicator uses moving averages and smoothed Heikin-Ashi for finding trends. By default, it uses volume weighted moving average, which is a good choice because it also considers volume in the calculation of the moving averages, so more weight is given to periods with higher volume, so perfectly tuning based on the interest of market participants. Interpreting this indicator is so simple, and as you can see, we have a ribbon which changes color between green and red depending on the direction of the market. When it's green, it shows uptrend, and when it's red, it shows downtrend. But of course, we will have noises in the pullbacks, or especially during flat markets, which the ribbon may change color and giving false signals. So we need to adjust the settings of the indicator based on the strategy we're going to use. If you want to use this indicator for long-term trend detection in your strategy, so you need to give high value to moving average length and also the smoothing values like 100, 200, depending on the trading strategy that you're going to use. But the strategy that I want to explain in this video is a scalping strategy, and I want to use this indicator for catching short-term trend of the market. So here for moving average length, I set it at 21, and for the smoothing, I also set it at 21. By the help of these settings, the ribbon became smoother, as you can see, and many of the false signals are removed, but still we have false signals based on color changing, like here, which we have a deeper pullback, or especially in non-trending markets, we can encounter false signals. So we're not going to use this indicator just based on color changing of the ribbon for entering a position. So we add another indicator to our chart, which is ADX, this one, average directional index, and this indicator will help us to be sure that we are entering in trending markets. If you have worked with this indicator, so you know that when ADX line is above 20, the market is trending, and when ADX line is below 20, the market is flat and not trending. In our strategy, we use the level 30, so we add a horizontal line here at 30 level, and in case if it's not set at 30, you can go to the settings of the line, and here in the coordinates tab, you can simply set it at 30, so the line will be exactly at 30 level. Alright, as I said, this is a scalping strategy and it's suitable for 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame. Right now we are on 5 minutes time frame, and this is the price chart of euro to US dollar in forex market, but no limitation on this, and you can use this strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's forex, crypto, or stocks. Trading based on this strategy is very easy, and you just need to be focused. As I explained earlier, when ADX line goes above 30, we consider that the market has the potential for trending, and when ADX line is below 30, the market is not trending. When ADX line is below the line and then it crosses above the line, it's a signal for us, and depending on the color of the ribbon, we realize if it's a long position signal or short position signal. In this case, the ribbon is green, so it's a long position signal, and we can enter a long position here at this point where this new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low or below the ribbon if the previous swing low is far from our trade entry, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. In case if we missed this one in practice, we had another opportunity here where the ADX line was below the line because of this deeper pullback, so it caused the ADX line to go below the line shortly, and then it crossed above the line here at this point. The ribbon is green, so another long position could be opened here at this point with the stop loss below the ribbon and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, moving on the chart, here the ADX line went below the line and then it crossed above the line here at this point. The ribbon is red, as you can see, so it's a bearish signal, and we can enter a short position here at this point where this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, moving on the chart, here again the ADX line went below the line and then it crossed above the line here at this point, so it's a bearish signal, and we can enter a short position at this point where this new candle is opened with the stop loss above the previous swing high, and this trade is also a profitable trade, as you can see. Moving on the chart, here again the ADX went below the line and then it crossed above the line here at this point. The ribbon is green, so it's a bullish signal, and we can enter a long position at this point where this new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. During this time, the market was flat, ADX was below the line, as you can see, and then we had upside breakout and our position became profitable. Here again another long position position opportunity we have at this point where the ADX line crossed above the line and the ribbon is green. So another long position could be opened here at this point where this new candle was opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. But for this signal here, which is a long position signal, if we enter a long position here at this point, it would end up in loss hitting our stop loss before reaching to our expected target. And this is the most important point that you must pay attention. There is no trading strategy with 100% guaranteed signals. Losing trades are always part of the game, no matter how accurate is the strategy or how much experience you have. So you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for short-term trading. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.